Even our most economic type, the Z-shaped folding container house, is better than all other Chinese factories. Why? Let's see. For example, this one, it is another customization for an Australian customer, again Australia, but they have special requirement. Why? Previously, they ordered from some other factory in the northern China, and the problem they face, including but not limited to easily rusting, water leaking, and also the material is very soft, etc., etc. But then they come to us. In fact, it is quite a coincidence as well. But they come here, they notice we are a professional manufacturer. They give us their requirements, and we provide it with our Z-shaped folding container. The Z-shaped folding container is something that you cannot see the foldable hinge on the side wall. In fact, you can, but as a matter of fact, you can see it from the front. However, this is not the main concern. What the customer concern is how to provide better quality, and this is what we do. First of all, we provide better color because the customer, they do not want to see the simple off-white color. The simple off-white, they say it is not very active and not very passionate for people to live in. Secondly, you may notice something different is that you have the opening on the sides so that the customer can install the windows on the local. Addition to this, in the back side, we provided with a special upswing window. This is for customers' bathroom. So once the units arrive there, they're going to install a partition here with a nice looking aluminum glass door so that they can provide better performance for the people. In addition to this, you will also notice something you cannot see, but we will tell you is that for many of the hardware, they are 100% stainless steel. Even for the welding, it is 100% stainless steel. Why? Because customer requires so, and we can do it. So this is what we do, and this is even our most economic Z-shaped folding container house can achieve better quality than any other competitor in China.